Whoa.
I look like golden hour, okay?
I am dead. Okay, this will work.
Period.
Oh, the light. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Whiska Bumba here. And
JasmineXO.
So this is my first collab ever. And I'm with my
monumental.
Exactly. It's gonna be so good. I'm with my friend Jasmine. We've known each other since high school. Yep. And she actually inspired me to do YouTube. I don't know if you know that.
I didn't know. I low-key happy.
You and other people. I see all these black people growing on YouTube. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna start too.
I was like literally that media kid at school and she's like, why do you have a camera? I'm like, I don't know. I was gonna film today.
So in this video, we're gonna be doing each other's hair. So I have 4C hair and Jasmine has...
I have 3B, 3C type hair. So
it's a big difference.
Like exact opposite ends of the spectrum.
Yeah, literally different. So I'm trusting her to do my hair. I mean, she's a black girl, so she can probably do it. But it's very different. So we're gonna see, because this girl had to watch a bunch of tutorials and you said you didn't find anything.
Tutorials, I hit up Pinterest. I was like scrolling.
She was finding curly haired people type, like her type, not my type.
Like do like a basic braid. So when I was looking for hairstyles, I was like, okay, what can I do? What is like doable? So we'll see.
We're gonna see. Hopefully it turns out good. Jasmine better not have me messed up. But I think I'm gonna win. So comment down below which one you guys are gonna like better, Team Carol or
Team Jazz down below, and we'll see you guys in our video, in our little hair war here.
Like tools, I guess. So I just brought this Eco Styler black flaxseed. Yeah, black castor oil flaxseed. That's a little. But like I have a really big one, but I didn't want to carry that, so I brought my small tub with me. And so I have my Eco Styler olive oil. I have a small tube just so like it forces me not to use a lot of gel. Because I always use this because my bank account doesn't permit. But I really like using this, so I usually use the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Coral and Styler. I do a lot of this. It's out of focus. There we go. Okay, so I usually use Strictly Curls Cold Fine Lotion for my hair. It's kind of a gel, kind of use it for styling or like gelling down. It's not very strong for gelling down though, like for my hair anyway, so I wouldn't use it as like just like that. And since she showed her moisturizers and leave-in conditioners, right? I just use this moisturizer. I live by, hold up. No, wait. Hey, I live by olive oil. And then for tools, I have this bristle brush. Oh, that's one of the funny differences. Okay, you see Jasmine's stuff, right? Brushes. She has brushes. I have combs. See the difference? I don't know what to. She showed me these combs. I'm like, okay, it's a comb. I'm gonna use one. So I'm very afraid. Literally. So. Oh, I forgot to show one thing. Oh yeah, this is a. Oh, there we go. This is also olive oil. Everything is green. Everything is olive oil brand. Just because it works for my hair. I use a little bit of this along with Eco Style gel because I think I said this earlier, or I mentioned to Jasmine. I don't like using a lot of gel in my hair because I know that creates gel thinning. Because like you gotta rinse out gel in your hair, or else if it stays there, breakage. And if you use a lot of gel, breakage. You're gonna be bald. We don't want to have no edges. So this is a cool alternative because it's like a moisturizer mixed kind of with a gel. So yeah. Okay. So now
I have the hairstyle I'm doing on Jasmine. It's something she's already done before, but okay, I have to tap the camera to focus.
The camera screen, yeah.
Yeah. So it's just this. There's a bunch of hair grooves, so you can't like know which one. It's your turn now.
Okay. So
move like a snake. Move like a snake. Move like a snake.
Move like a snake. Move like a snake. I don't know who it is. Shout out to her if she happens to be watching this.
there we go. I'm excited. Oh yeah, and then after you have to finish the story about him because yes, we literally got to like the very beginning. Wave check. These mans could never. This literally could never. Ever adorable. Ever. It helps. I realize people like with your type of hair don't slick back because you don't need to. I stay slicking back my hair dead. No, I literally never ever. Wait, I don't want to be like an elf person. I don't. They're so cute. These Instagram mans could never. They're clicking, honestly. Like full light skin mode. That's all of them. You just leave it there for a while. It helps. Oh man.
Could never. Period.
Period.
Wait, check Wednesday. That's what it is. That's
oh my gosh, it is Wednesday. It is. Like, I'm dead.
There we go.
Wave check.
Wave check. Wave check. Why do I look like that? Okay. Y'all could never.
Okay.
Wave check. Wait,
guys, how'd I do? How'd I do?
What did I do? Okay, you're gonna.
I didn't.
You can like.
I didn't.
Wave check here.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look how wavy she is. Wavy than all your mans. In full light skin mode. Period. Your mans could never. Could never.
Check
They can't even
Wednesday.
try.
Could never. They're not on my level. Period. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's all you gotta know. That.
Fluff it.
Okay, and then you fluff it. This is not gonna cry.
Why did it keep? What are you doing? Yo, my hairdresser is white. And wait, I want to pause it just so I can expose you for a second.
Story.
My hairdresser is white. She braids my hair. She does crochet. She does weaves and all that. And she's better than Jasmine.
You just got roasted.
This is gonna make you lose trust in black people everywhere. I'm telling you. That's what's gonna happen. Wait, I don't like it this way, Kayla.
Bro, I have no water in my hair right now. You drenched that.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and then keep fluffing it. Yes, yes,
Oh,
yes.
I don't think.
Yes, keep doing that. Keep doing that. Different sections. This whole section I can
She's
feel
like,
is
it's
dry.
dry. Am I genuinely struggling? I feel like you're gonna. There's gonna
Only
be a
the
story
middle of
time
my
about
head.
me. She'd be like, one time this girl I was friends with was gonna do my hair, and she did my hair, and it was dry.
This is wet,
Yeah.
but here, the ends. You gotta wet the ends.
This is so funny. This is so funny. Yours was so easy, and mine is literally I'm struggling.
No, like the tips, this part of my hair. Yeah.
Boop, 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 boop. And then you fluff.
Yes, keep doing that. Very good. It's supposed to be wet. And if it looks like I have a lot of product, trust it dries.
Trust, it's all olive oil. It's not
Okay.
just product. It is all oil. And then, guys, I'm gonna take my detangling wand.
Oh, why am I handing it to you? Well, okay. Oh my gosh, she's so up.
Okay, no, what I wanted to do.
Why are you? What did you call?
Nothing happened.
She went like.
Okay, you know what?
This is what Jasmine just did.
I was like, this is doing literally nothing.
Like, I literally did nothing. Okay, I really hope this works out how I want it to work out. Because if it doesn't, I have no idea what she's doing. Wait, are you doing a hairstyle I've done before or a hairstyle I haven't? I don't think you've done it before. You might have, I don't know. I don't think so. I feel like I know what you're doing. Hopefully you know what products do. Eco helps curl hair. This moisturizes it. And you always gotta moisturize before you put it up or anything. And if you want to part it, yep. Literally, see, you know. I'd say moisturize it before doing that, because then you're gonna have to moisturize each part. It's okay. We're just gonna go with it. I'm not even looking at your face. That's the final look. Turn to the side. Half my head isn't in this ponytail. I'm unable. She's actually trying. I don't know what this one is for. Why is my hair just wet? It's gonna dry up again. What is this for? This girl doesn't know what this is for. I don't know what this is for. It's the same purpose as this. Oh, okay, so we're not gonna use that one. Okay, so then this is for putting gel. You're already putting gel? Yeah. Wait, no. Is this what I think it is? Oh yeah, you said it's mixed with gel. So let me use this one. Leave it. Boop. Okay, good.
Oh, this one smells good. It smells like candy.
I know.
It smells like these gummy bears.
Literally,
they have in my
people say they can
grandma's house.
smell my hair, and I love it.
Yeah.
Okay,
like,
my hair is drenched. That's a good thing. Now you gotta.
You gotta.
Okay, that's for white people. You know how they say, put a generous amount. You gotta.
Literally, you gotta
put it in
put
half
the
the
whole
bottle.
thing
You know how in your cabinets in your bathroom, some people have like cleaning products.
I have 600
We got hair products.
Literally, so many.
I got like 3 sisters, y'all. So
Imagine.
plus my mom.
She's gonna. So this is a final look. We don't know how this is
Not
gonna go.
final.
It
I
has to
actually
dry.
really like it. It's cute.
It needs to dry because right now there's like
Yeah.
product because like you know when like your hair's wet and you
It's fine because product's meant to dry.
We
We're
can-
gonna show you it when it's
compliments.
dry.
This is how I do mine, and if you leave it out, then it gives it more volume. So
Mhm.
we'll see. But my braids fixed up. They revived themselves from the beginning because the beginning was questionable.
It's
Like,
cutish.
They're like,
I'll give you cutish.
okay.
Because
I
if you
didn't
look
fit.
like this, my buns are nice. But if you look front facing,
I didn't completely.
feel like-
I didn't completely fail, and that's all that matters.
I feel like if you looked front facing, you'd know I'd.
Had your hair done by
She
a
didn't.
mixed girl.
I would say what happened with Jasmine. She didn't comb my hair enough. I can't tell
don't
her
even
to.
know.
She
I
didn't
don't
want
even know.
to. You literally take it and you comb it. She went like. There, we're done. Because when you comb my hair a lot, the thing is like my shrinkage is like up to here. When you comb out my hair, it goes up to here. So like the puffs would have been bigger. Those are the puffs are really tiny, but it's like it's cute. Bro, I'm not seeing him today.
At least I didn't
I'm gonna say I'm seeing you Thursday. Sorry.
I didn't completely fail.
I'm not seeing him today.
Imagine.
I like these. I'll probably keep it in for tomorrow because I can't braid my hair for
she's
like.
She's gonna go out later, but she's gonna do a puff instead. But she's gonna leave the braids. Watch it. I'll see it on Snapchat.
We'll see.
She's gonna be like.
Or maybe I play around with this. We'll see. Cause I'm like I'm not seeing him like this. You can't see me looking popping at a party, and then next time you see me,
show up and literally the mixed girl did your hair.
The black-ish girl did my hair.
Literally the black-ish girl did your hair. Imagine. Okay, there you
go. So this is what Jasmine did. Braid it, y'all. Cause I feel like if I do this, it's like a 9 out of 10. But if you actually see me and it's front facing, it is a 5 out of 10.
At least I passed.
Because the gel, she put gel after. I noticed people with her hair texture, I see it all the time in tutorials, they put gel after and your hair stays slick.
I'm done.
I put gel before and then I put my hair up, so then my hair stays slick. And then look, because she didn't comb it out enough. If she combed it out enough and put the moisturizer, then we'd be good, but she was scared to hurt my head or something.
I don't know.
She didn't know how to use a comb.
I don't know. I don't know how to use a comb.
And then we're gonna see
how
how I fix it.
She's gonna fix it and y'all will see.
Y'all will see.
Okay, there we go.
Y'all, it's so cute now. I fixed it. Basically what I did, that Jasmine didn't, I told her you need to put gel before, not after. Because if I put gel before and brush it, then put my do-rag on, it stays slick. But if I put gel after, it just puffs out. And then I took out the buns to brush my hair again because you guys saw there was a lot of product in it. But like now it's completely dry.
Are you outside? Okay, bye.